Good morning, Mama Strong. Today is December the 16th. So I just wanted to vlog a little bit because I wanted to share with you guys what we got for our kids for Christmas. Some of the things are not here yet. Some of the things might not arrive here on time. So we actually went shopping yesterday to get the things in store instead. So anyways, I wanted to share with you guys what we got, and then probably we'll continue this vlog with like the tour or something else that Christmas related that we're doing. But yeah, I am sitting in front of the tree to make it a little bit more Christmassy, I guess. Sorry I don't have my makeup on yet. I just wanted to get this done so I can wrap it and put it underneath the tree before my daughter finishes school. Gets out of school today. So anyways, the first thing we got is actually, I believe my husband got this from Amazon. I'm not too sure the outlets, but anyways, my husband got her this shirt right here. It's a Chanel shirt. I think it's a little bit big on her, but you know, she can grow into it, and it has like this layer on the bottom, so it's very cute. And then the inside is like wool, I guess wool material or fleece. It's very, very soft, you guys. It's so nice. So yeah, that's the first thing. And it has those little like this little chain right here that has the Chanel logo on it. And then the next thing is he got her a Gucci shirt as well. So let me just take it out of the bag real quick so I can show it to you guys. She got a Gucci shirt. Isn't that fancy? So this is the Gucci tag, of course. And then it's just a plain white Gucci shirt that she has. I don't even know she knows what these are, but you know, he says that he knows what it is, so that's all that matters. I don't know. Anyways, so we got that. And then the last thing is actually just a distressed legging for as far as clothing goes. It's distressed legging right here. I don't think she can wear this to school because it's not school appropriate, but maybe like when we go out on our family time, she can wear it. And the brand is the Nursery. So yeah, that's that. Okay, and the next thing is we have, so these are the things that we got yesterday. And what was funny was when we were going to buy it, I had David buy it, like check out with our son Logan, because Logan wouldn't really know. And then I just distracted Bella like by smelling some candles and stuff so that she doesn't check out with daddy, so she doesn't see what daddy's buying, because it's pretty much her Christmas present. But anyways, this is what we got. It's pretty much a stainless steel by Melissa and Dog. It's a stainless steel pots and pans, and it comes with a little wooden stuff. This is what I really wanted to get them. I don't want to get them anything I guess plastic. So these are pretty much like almost like how it is in real life. We even have a pot this big that we use in the kitchen, so it's really good. It goes with the Montessori play, so that's why we got these. They had like a lot of pots and pans before. It was all plastic, and I donated most of it before we moved here. So yeah, then the last, I think next time when we move out, we can get them like a play kitchen, the wooden one, so that it goes with all of these. But this is their toy section, and they already have a lot of like wooden fruits and vegetables there, so it can, you know, it works together. The next thing is also a Melissa and Dog, but this is like a puzzle. I got this from my son, so he can actually, because most of the puzzle didn't have like something to grab it, but these ones have these little things, so it's just a house and we can just put it together. And I think it really will be good for him with he's really good with his grasp, but I want him to work more with like the puzzle type of thing. So this is also a Montessori type of toy. I guess this is more like Waldorf since this is pretend play, but we are into it. Okay, and then the next thing, we got her this Kinetic Sand set right here. Is it a set? It's like a rainbow Kinetic Sand, and then it comes with these little molding things, and they also have like those real sand moldings, so they don't really have to like buy an extra molder, so you can just use those. She has been asking for a Kinetic Sand for a while, and I told her we get her one for Christmas. It was also already in my cart on Amazon, but you know, we just didn't want things to get here after Christmas since we need it for Christmas, so we just got it at Target. Even forgot to tell you, all the 3 toys are from Target. Okay, and then we also got her this. She chose it in store, so I probably would just put it in her stocking, but this it's just an LOL World Travel. We don't have this this set yet, so I don't like how they always bring out like new thing like world travel, then music and this and that. So this is the world travel, and yeah, so we'll just put this inside her stocking. She loves LOL. Anyways, next thing we got is actually, oh, this one is not for our kids, this is actually for our friend. So if you watch this, you wouldn't know who it's for, but this is for our friend's son. So this is pretty much like a basketball hoop thing for bath time, and we got it from TJ Maxx. The thing is, okay, so we're trying to get this like because he's into, okay, I hope they don't watch my videos because this is gonna give it away, but the kid is into like dinosaurs, and then all the dinosaur things. I saw a lot of like Jurassic Park dinosaur things, but it was like 3 years and up, and I'm like, I don't know if it's safe for him, so I just picked this up instead, and I hope he likes it. I hope he has fun during bath time. So we got that for our friend's family friend's son. And then I got this for Logan. So it's pretty much cars. He just started getting into cars lately, but I mean, he loves Legos and Olaf most of the time, but he also like Minions, and he started to like push the car around. So anyways, I got all these. I saw this on Amazon before, and I thought the cars were like too small, but actually when you see it in real life, like it's not that small at all, you guys. Like it's actually like a good size. So anyways, he has a lot of plastic cars there, so I'm just going to replace those with these. And then they have like those Hot Wheels, I think my husband calls it Hot Wheels, where the cars are not plastic, it's actually different material. I forgot what the material is. So those we can keep, but like all the plastic cars we're just gonna get rid of. So I can replace it with this, and it has like a wooden like place where you can, you know, store it already, so it is perfect. And then this I got for Rina Bella too. I needed something. Okay, so this is from Ross, and this is from TJ Maxx. So these ones, and the other one was TJ Maxx. This is from Ross. I got this for Rina Bella for her hair because she likes to have it like on this side now, or like separated in two, so I could just you know, decorate her hair with these bows. I saw a lot of like the small ones like for babies at Ross, but then I needed something big, and this was the only one that I saw. The other ones are so big that it's like, yeah, okay. And she already has those bigger one, but it's like not a pair, and I really needed a pair, and this is the only one that I saw. The material is not really great, but I think you can wash it if it gets dirty. But these are just like, you know, bows that are paired, so I really like it. I want to use it on her hair when I get her ready for school in the morning. And the next thing we got for our family friend's daughter as well. This is just a color book, I guess. This is a Frozen color book, and she really likes Frozen. I hope she still does, so that's why I got her this. And I'll show you guys, every kid will get 2 books, 2 Christmas books as well, so I think it's a good gift. But anyways, yeah, this is from Ross also, and I think it's a pretty good deal. So anyways, that's that. And then I think we're almost through. And then the next thing is actually also for our family friend, but this is all kids gift idea. We have this Fisher Price. This is 6 months and up. This is a stacking elephant, so it's pretty much like you can stack the toys on top of each other. Good for motor skills and, you know, eyes coordination, hands and eye coordination and things like that. So I think it will be good for the baby. And then we're trying to get like the adult like a candle each. Those soy candles from Target. It smells so good, you guys. It smells just like Christmas. So we're trying to get those. Okay. So I got this book from it's actually from Costco. It comes with 12 sets of books. The rest my kids already took and read. We read it every night. But anyways, this is how it looks like. That's the back. Those are all the choices. Then yeah, it says 12 volume library book, my Christmas storybook collection. Anyways, so there's, you see that's the leftover. There's 6 left, and these ones I'm gonna add with, you know, these gifts so that I can put them together and wrap them already, because I need to wrap these things before, like I said, before my daughter comes home.
Scarves and sweaters bundled up in cotton, knowing names that wouldn't be forgotten, laughing over our own sense of humor underneath the Christmas lights that glow. I'm glad I got to know you better. We've come so far since that December. Who would have known I would have made my best friend on that night, under 1,000 Christmas lights. Another year went by so quickly, it's Christmas time again. And even though we both get busy, we still have time to talk for hours on end. I'm glad I got to know you better. We've come so far since that December. Who would have known I would have made my best friend on that night, under 1,000 Christmas lights, 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 like stars around you that sparkle from the trees. Glad I found you, I'm not alone, it's you and me. I'm glad I got to know you better. We've come so far since that December. Would have known I would have made my best friend on that night, under 1,000 Christmas lights. lifetime to say our first hello. Scarves and sweaters bundled up in cotton, knowing names that wouldn't be forgotten, laughing over our own sense of humor underneath the Christmas lights that glow. I'm glad I got to know you better. We've come so far since that December. Who would have known I would have made my best friend on that night, under 1,000 Christmas lights. Another year went by so quickly, it's Christmas time again. And even though we both get busy, we still have time to talk for hours on end. I'm glad I got to know you better. We've come so far since that December. Who would have known I would have made my best friend on that night, under 1,000 Christmas lights.